You clicked on this video because you're interested in auto auctions and you want to learn all about them. So here are some common myths about auto auctions that you might not know. The first myth is that every car at an auction is junk, and this is not true at all. Myth busted. Here are the facts of the matter. Auctions are actually a source for big car dealers to liquidate their inventory. When big dealers have to make more room on their floor plan, they send their cars to auctions just like us. 99% of the time, it is a dealer-only auction. But the great thing about Atlanta East Auto Auction is we are open to public buyers too. That means you can get a car from the same place as the dealers for the same price. Cut the middleman and cut into some deals. Some say all auction cars have high mileage. Another myth busted. Not every car is high mileage. We have cars from every range from 200,000 rust buckets to practically new off-the-lot model year cars. From your kid's first Honda Accord to the new Mercedes you've always been eyeing. We have something for everyone here. We always have some low mileage vehicles. Last week, a 2021 Toyota Supra with only 8,000 miles went down our lanes and sold for a wholesale price. Don't be quick to write off an auction because you've heard everything is high mileage. Myth number 3 is that you cannot preview cars. That might be true at some auto auctions. That's not the case at Atlanta East Auto Auction. Every Monday, we have our sale start at 6 p.m. and open our doors at 3 p.m. to allow you to preview. Take your time to check out the cars you like. Look at them, get in them, touch them, smell them, everything that you need to get comfortable with your purchase. When it comes to auctions, don't listen to the bad stereotypes. Auctions are the new way of buying. For years, it has been standard for dealers, and it's cut off from the rest of the public. We're trying to change the image of auctions at Atlanta East Auto Auction. Giving the public the same access and rights as dealers do, some talk down on the auctions, but times change. Auctions are becoming the new model for buying vehicles. The number 4 myth is that auctions move too fast and are too difficult for first-time buyers. As I mentioned earlier, every auction day we open at 3 p.m. for our preview for buyers to check out our cars. We also release a list of the cars on our website before each auction. Each car on the list is numbered and the lanes run in order so that you know when your vehicle is coming up. We at Atlanta East Auto Auction do everything we can to ensure our buyers are well informed, and we will show you the ropes of auto auctions. Our staff ensures a pleasant experience for everyone. Now that you've learned a little bit about auctions, we hope to have eased some of your worries. If you have any additional questions or concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Atlanta East Auto Auction is proud to be Atlanta's premier public auto auction. Call us at 470-552-1032 or visit us online at aeautoauction.com. Stay updated with us on YouTube at Atlanta East Auto Auction or on social media at AE Auto Auction. Thank you for watching. We hope to serve you soon. Atlanta East is the name and auto auction is our game.